Hey everybody, this is Ron. We got Benny. That's Benny right there. There's Benny. Ron's in the excavator. So what we're gonna do to start off with the rock classifier, we're gonna cut. Gosh, fucking fell. We're gonna cut that plate in the middle. So right there, that flat piece of steel, Benny's gonna cut it off. That's Benny. So me and Ron was out here last weekend and the weekend before. That created a big problem. So once we cut that, we set it up. We're getting into the better material. We got Benny here. He's a professional with the dry washer, excavator. So he's gonna show us a few of his tricks out here.
Jack up of all trades.
He's jack of all trades. Yep. Yep. No doubt about that. I was going to say something else, but I better be quiet coming from Tempe. Yep. But so anyways, Ron's over there going to start up that generator. It started right up. I'm amazed. He must put some brake cleaner in there. Yeah. So deep in Arizona, it's a beautiful day. Once again, just imagine, all the Indians roamed around here. I just got back from an underground stream coming up that way. I did a video, I fell. It's so beautiful up there. But right now, we're just getting everything set up. We're spot checking everything. All that ancient material up there, it goes back years and years and years. Right on. Just imagine, all them boulders were deep in the ground. We're just going deeper and deeper. Anyways, people, this is early in the morning. We're just warming everything up. We're gonna get everything set up, do some spot checking. Anyways, once again, this is Ron in Arizona. What a beautiful place to be. I mean, right here where I'm standing, my chair. Just think the Indians they could have slept right there. Anywhere out here. They were everywhere. Everywhere, but this just a little part. Well, people, anyways, we're in the morning time. We're just gonna cut that plate off. Gonna set it up. Gonna try out that dry washer with Benny here. We're gonna see what type of gold we can find. But we did find a gold nugget over there where Ron is, closest to the side of the riverbed. Anyways, people, y'all take care and peace out. That's Benny and Ron. They're up on an upper level bench right there, and there's a riverbed right there. There's a waterfall. He's going into the hard packed material. So we're still spot checking. Trying to get to where we get to the better material. Right on, man. Yeah, it's so beautiful out here. Right now I'm in an ancient riverbed that goes back thousands of years. There's the dry washer right there. Like I said, we're barely getting started. Let's see. So right there is where you got the bedrock. Ancient riverbed coming down. So once excavator, that's Ron working the excavator. Let's see, get a close up. Right on. So this is Arizona on the gold claim, the very beginning. Anyways, people, this is Saturday and it's a beautiful day. I want to wait. Let's see what's going on here. Whoa. They're getting by the waterfall. What are they digging at here? Right on, man. So this is the material out here. They got some red colored stuff out there with iron. Anyways, people, I want to wish you one more time a beautiful day. And I want to say peace out.